how to connect a photocell. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. So with this we got an original circuit and we have a contactor and a time clock in this case. Reason why you might put a contactor in place is photocells can only switch a certain amount of load and it's normally quite small, so in this case I've got 363 amp loads. Photocells require a neutral, a line and a line out, so it's a switch but it requires a neutral to go to it, and obviously where you need to put it is in a position that won't be under a light, otherwise it would never come on, so it needs to be ideally on a north facing wall if you're in the northern hemisphere. So here's our original circuit. We have a photocell. We're going to add a photocell with a time clock controlled at the moment. So first we can do the photocell. That requires a neutral and a line. So without further ado, with the existing circuitry, we'll break that particular one there because it's the switch line that goes to the load. In this case it is the contactor. That could be just to a light though if it's capable of switching it. So we're going to break the output of the time clock, and we're going to take a neutral to the photocell because that's what it requires, and we're going to take the switch line from the time clock into the photocell, and then the output of the photocell we connect back into the circuit. So now the photocell will only operate obviously when it gets to a certain lighting level, so when it gets dark, but it will only come on if the time clock has called for it. So it's a way of saving money, especially in the summer months. If you wanted it to come on at 4 in the afternoon, well, 4 in the afternoon in the summer will be still daylight, so the photocell will hold it off until it gets dark. In the winter, obviously it is already dark, so 4 in the afternoon it would come on. And there you go, that's a straightforward way of operating that. So with the sun out and it's not in the time clock, so it hasn't switched, and then it turns to the time that it will come on. With the sun out it will still not come on. That will then change when it gets dark and the contactor will come and on come your loads, and the time clock will still switch it off when you want it to, or when it becomes daylight if that's what you're after. How can that be done in a slightly different way? So here we have a contactor with a time clock, all from the same circuit. So the previous one was with separate circuits. So as before, it needs a neutral, it needs a line conductor in and a switch line out. So we're going to break the connection from the output of the time clock to the contactor, and we're going to take that into the contactor, so that's like your permanent feed in from the time clock. It needs a neutral, so we pick a neutral up from wherever the local point happens to be for this particular circuit, and then from the contactor through to the photocell. Now we put the time on, we put the power on, it's daylight, nothing will work because the time clock is off and the photocell, it is daylight still. And then the time clock turns to the correct time and turns it on. The photocell is now ready and waiting to go, but can't work because obviously the sun is out, and therefore when it does become dark the contactor will come on. And that's how that one works. So I hope this has been useful. Very simple way. This is Sparky Help. Please like, share and subscribe.